Your phone contains more personal information than your wallet, your diary, and your photo albums combined. But what if someone else has access to all of that without you even knowing? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today, we're diving deep into the warning signs that could mean your phone has been compromised, how hackers actually get into your device, and most importantly, what you can do to protect yourself and remove any threats. Section 1. Warning signs your phone is hacked. First, let's talk about the red flags. These are the signs that should immediately make you suspicious that something's not right with your device. Warning sign number 1. Mysterious apps you didn't download. Take a look at your phone right now. Do you see any apps that you don't remember installing? Hackers often disguise malware as harmless games or utility apps. Warning sign number 2. Dramatically slower performance. Is your phone suddenly running like it's from the Stone Age? Malware running in the background can significantly reduce your device's performance. Warning sign number 3. Battery draining faster than usual. Check your battery settings. If you're seeing unusual drops in charge or apps consuming excessive power, investigate further. Warning sign number 4. Unusual pop-ups and advertisements. If your phone is suddenly flooded with pop-up ads, especially when you're not using apps or browsing the web, you likely have adware or malware installed. Warning sign number 5. Higher than normal data usage. Check your data usage in your phone's settings. Malicious processes might be consuming your mobile data in the background as they track your activities. If you found any of these warning signs, don't panic. Keep watching because we'll cover exactly what to do about it. Section 2. How phones get hacked. Now let's talk about how hackers actually get into your phone. Method number 1. SIM swap attacks. Hackers contact your mobile carrier pretending to be you and transfer your phone number to their own SIM card. Method number 2. Malware from suspicious websites. Clicking on malicious pop-ups, downloading apps from unofficial sources can install malware on your device. Method number 3. Infected USB cables and charging stations. When you connect your phone to charge, especially at public charging stations, malware can be transferred through the USB connection. Method number 4. Public Wi-Fi networks. Hackers create fake Wi-Fi networks called evil twin networks that mimic legitimate hotspots. Method number 5. Phishing attacks. Attackers send malicious links through SMS, email, social media, or even QR codes. Section 3. Immediate steps if your phone is hacked. If you've identified that your phone might be hacked, here's what you need to do immediately. Step number 1. Change all your passwords right away. Step number 2. Run anti-malware software. Step number 3. Disconnect from networks. Step number 4. Remove suspicious apps immediately. Step number 5. Alert your contacts. Step number 6. Factory reset as last resort. Section 4. Prevention strategies. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are the essential steps to protect your phone from hackers. Use at least a 6-digit PIN or complex password. Use two-factor authentication. Turn off Bluetooth when you're not using it. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like banking. If you must use public Wi-Fi, use Astral VPN to encrypt your connection. Disable location services for apps that don't need them. Only download apps from official app stores. Read app reviews and check permissions before installing. Install software updates immediately. Keep all your apps updated to the latest versions. If this video helped you secure your phone, smash that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Stay safe out there, and remember, a few minutes of prevention can save you hours of recovery. See you in the next video.